subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we will be doing the in-depth review of the phone Redmi Note 5 Pro. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I have this phone and I have been using this phone for a while, and let's find out what all things are good in this one and what all things are not good in this one. Before this, if you haven't seen my previous video on the unboxing and the quick review and overview about this phone, so please have a look at it. You can find the link in the description. So now let's talk about this phone. What all are the pros and cons of this phone, so that these things would help you to consider whether you need to buy this phone or not. So let's talk about the good things first. So the display is very good with the new aspect ratio 18:9. It gives a premium look and premium finish to this one, and the build quality is awesome for this price point. It gives premium finish to this phone. So full marks on build quality of this phone. Then, as you all know, till now Redmi used to have average quality of camera, so this con is also being removed in this one. The photo quality is very good in this phone, and I'll just show you few of the sample shots clicked by this phone. The camera is very good, and if you love taking selfies, then you'll like this phone very much, because the selfies are also good with this one, because it has got 20 megapixel front camera with front flash. So camera is good as compared to Redmi Note 4 and Redmi Note 5 in this Redmi Note 5 Pro. So this is something good from Redmi. So the next good thing about this phone is the screen is very good. The display is full HD display, 6 inches full HD display, so this is also very good. Now let's have a look at the about phone status. So this one is 4GB variant, and it has got 64 gigabytes of internal memory. So at this price point, the specs are very awesome for this phone. And one sad part is that it is still having Nougat. Maybe we can expect Oreo very soon, because in the Chinese version of this Redmi Note 5 Pro, they have already provided Oreo. So let's wait for that. Now let's talk about the performance. So performance wise, I have experienced no lag whatsoever. The Snapdragon 636 runs flawlessly in this one, so performance wise no complaints in this device whatsoever. Quality of this phone is very good, and it is having a good combination of software and hardware. The hardwares are up to the mark, and the sensors which they have provided is very good. Redmi has all the necessary sensors. Redmi provides all the necessary sensors which are required in the phone. They never miss the IR blaster, and the gyroscopic sensor and other sensors are there. The build quality of this phone is very good. Apart from that, the hardware is also very good, which they have provided. All the latest things are provided in this one with all the required sensors. So in all, in this price point, this phone has got great specs and great performance, great camera. Music is good. Maybe we were expecting dual speakers in this one, but nevertheless the speakers are very good. I have even tried listening to music on headphones, and even the music quality was awesome in headphones. As I said, picture is good. Now let's talk about few of the points which are not that good. So the first point which I feel is it still has micro USB port. Instead of that, type C could have been provided, so that would have been much better. Apart from that, Redmi still has a few plastic parts, so maybe we were expecting that they could have changed it, but then this is also the thing which I feel is not that good. Then apart from that, in previous Redmi phones we used to have multicolor LED notification lights, but now in this one we only have white colored LED lights, so this is something which we missed on. So Also, few users do expect to have a dedicated micro SD slot, but this one again has the hybrid SIM slot, so either you can use one SIM and micro SD card, or you can use two SIM card. So in all, if you talk about the phone, in all the phone is very good at given price point. Every phone, overall this phone is very good, and at this price point it will definitely become the best seller of the year 2018. As the Redmi Note 4 was the best seller for the year 2017, this one would definitely become the best seller for the year 2018. So in all, every phone has some good points and bad points. So hope you like this in-depth review, and do uh, subscribe our channel and share this video among your friends, and I will see you guys in next one. Thanks for watching.